guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video we are going to be frying up some pomfrets. We're going to start off with cleaning the fish and preparing for marination. Make cuts in the middle of both sides of the fish, which will help marinate well. You will also need to remove the guts from the fish and cut fins if it's not already done so. Okay guys, we're now going to move on to marination, and you will need the following ingredients. So with clean hands, mix all the spices together on the fish and rub it well. Make sure you get the spices in the cuts that you made on the fishes and let it marinate for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm also using some whole spicy chilies, which is optional. This is because I really love chilies. Okay, let's start frying up the fishes and let it sizzle. Heat the oil in a non-stick pan, very important guys, so the fish does not stick. You need to use the non-stick pan. Fry the fish for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how big the fish is. Sometimes it takes longer or sometimes it's quicker. Just keep an eye on it, guys. Okay guys, it's all done. Sprinkle some coriander and spritz some lemon juice. Okay, it looks fantastic and tastes amazing. Give it a try guys and let me know how it goes. Make sure you like, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.